Quick update on the Integra. I bought this car in February of 2020 from my cousin in Las Vegas. Drove it to San Diego, and then I drove it to Spokane, Washington, and it leaked the entire way. We went through 5 quarts of oil, basically putting in a bottle every time we put in gas. Got it home and figured out that it's got a bad cam seal and the valve cover gasket is leaking too. So bought all the parts last February. It is now January 2021. I have sat on that cam seal and the valve cover gasket for 11 months, mostly because I'm lazy and I've been working on the Ranger, the Xterra, the Beetle. I've just been busy. But last week, or 2-3 weeks ago, my cousin texted me. He goes, "Dude, do you want a B20?" And I'm like, yeah, because this B18B LS motor sucks. The Integra is the slowest car in my fleet, and it's fun, but it just doesn't have the zip that I want it to have. And so I jumped on the opportunity. I'm basically trading in all of my interior. We're going full race car, and I'm trading in my interior and trading my rims, which are my cousin's rims, because he wants them back. So I'm gonna trade him all that stuff for the motor and also for the labor, which is cool. We're gonna put poly bushings on all the suspension components. We got new lower arms and also new upper arms on the front. So really excited. Couple things I need to do to prep this car to drive from Spokane to Vegas is we're swapping out the tires and wheels and tires. My cousin's taking those, but it's winter here in Spokane and I don't really want to drive down the mountain and head to Vegas on these 17s and these tires that I'm not really a big fan of them. So a few days ago, ordered some Enkei, I guess it's Enkei, RPF1s, 15x7s, and matched them up with some Michelin X-Ice, just so I have some winter tires to drive down. I don't really know what the terrain's gonna be like going to Nevada, but I just want to be safe. So swap those on to the car, and I'm loving the meaty fitment. It's weird, in my 20s I liked low profile tires, but these days, you know, I've come to realize that I am an off-road guy at heart. I tried the lowered car life for a bit. I just not really digging it. In fact, this Integra, we're going full race car, taking out all the interior. I eventually want to cage it. I want to get some rally coilovers on it, and I want to try doing some gravel stuff in this car. You know, I've always loved the Integra, but I'm also an off-roader, so we're gonna try to mix those two together. Not a lot in this video, but I just wanted to give you a quick update on that car. Here's a quick montage of me swapping out the wheels and tires. You're gonna notice that the new rims and tires are a lot smaller than the 17s. The 17s look like they're an inch or 2 inches bigger than the ones I put on there. I'm really liking the meaty fitment. One thing that I'm a little bit worried about is that because the tire is smaller, the car is actually now closer to the floor. But hopefully in the next month or two, we're gonna be swapping in some other coilovers there that have a little bit more travel and will be a little bit more conducive to driving off-road. So enjoy this montage. I'll give you an update in a few weeks when I go down to Vegas and get that 2.0 swapped in. Super excited about that B20. Enjoy.